Huh, Mama? Love you guys. So two first, right?
You like sausage? Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, depending on where you are. Blessings to you and your family. Today's video is a refrigerator clean and organized with me. It is me and baby girl's birthday month, so my family is staying with us and we're celebrating all month long. So we are in need to just get everything cleaned out and organized so it's easier just for everyone. In addition to the organizers that I already have, I will be adding these acrylic containers I picked up from Aldi. They are really good, and the thing that I actually like about these is that they come with the label. So if you do not have a Cricut machine, you can just use the stickers, which is very convenient. So here are the groceries that we picked up from the store that need to be organized and put away. So first we're going to clear out the refrigerator so that it's completely emptied, and then once everything is cleaned out, we can wipe everything down. I'm sitting here spraying this thing several times, thinking that it needs to be scrubbed when really I could have just wiped it right out. So disgusting. With having little ones in the house, I want to make sure that everything is sanitized for them. So anything that they touch, they're not getting any germs or anything. I picked up these wipes from the Dollar Tree, but I wasn't really impressed, but it was only $1, so I just went ahead and used them. It's fine. I clean all the shelves and drawers and any attachment that can be removed for a nice deep clean. I store the lid under the eggs in case I need to stack something on top. I find this very convenient. I keep all the cheese and meat together to make it easier for the kids to grab and make their lunches. I'm in love with this door. I like keeping all of the things that I need to get quick access to right away. The kids' juice, little yogurts for them, and of course my coffee. I love to keep coffee in the refrigerator next to my almond milks so that I can have a nice iced coffee when I need one. And guys, if you have kids, with 7 kids in this house right now, I definitely need my coffee. I like to keep fruit on the top shelf of the refrigerator so that I can get to it throughout the week. I was thinking about getting those containers that preserve your fruit, but we go through fruit so quickly, it doesn't even last a week. Does anyone else have that problem? Everyone eats all the fruit in the house and you feel like you have to keep getting an Instacart order or go to the store to get more? I still need to make labels for the condiments. Right now we are just guessing what everything is by the colors. For the most part, this has worked out for us, except for the time that I've spilled sriracha all over my mom's burger. I mean, I didn't spill it. I poured it on there thinking it was ketchup. And yeah, so labels need to be made. Last step is to add the remaining labels so that everything has its home and is easy to find and put back. I don't know about you guys, but I always feel like a brand new person after I finish an organization project. It gives me so much peace and it keeps our family motivated to keep the house clean and organized. That's all for today's video. Thank you so much for watching. I have so many ideas for the house, so make sure you subscribe so that you don't miss a thing. And as always, blessings, and see you in the next one.